Alright, so this is a 800 point battle versus Space Marines versus Tau.
And it's objectives, and here's one objective, second and the third one is a crashed land speeder. And yeah, the Space Marines are trying to save their buddies over there.
The Blood Angels and their brother Space Marines, the Ultramarines, are trying to rescue a land speeder off the Imperial Fist Space Marine chapter.
Okay, let's see what's in the Tau army.
Alright, so this is my battlesuit commander, and he has a marker drone with him, and he has a air bursting fragmentation projector and a missile pod launcher. And then got 2 7-man squads of fire warriors, and the leader has a marker light in each of them, and another one in this devilfish right here. And then I have another battlesuit right here with the plasma rifle and missile pods, and then a hammerhead. And then I have some gun drones that are deep striking.
Deep striking gun drones. Okay. And then Space Marine player?
Yeah, well, I got my tactical squads deployed inside 2 separate rhinos, and my commander is attached to one of these squads. I also have a scout squad hiding behind this tree to get advantage of the cover save, and I also have a las cannon armed dreadnought for taking out enemy armor.
Alright, so this is near the end of Tau player Kyle's first turn of shooting. Been getting horrible rolls so far.
Yeah, I haven't done anything to him. I've missed everything with all of these guys over here. I hit with the commander, but he didn't do anything to his rhino over there. So this is my hammerhead to see if I can actually kill something this turn, and I'm going to be shooting at his dreadnought.
See the roll.
You do better. Miss.
The forces of the Emperor hold strong against the Xeno scum.
Okay, so we're gonna do your assault moves, and then it's gonna be turn 1 for Space Marines.
It's a pretty epic fail turn.
Okay. Okay, so the Space Marine player's moved all his units, and he's gonna shoot with his one unit he's able to, which is his dreadnought, towards the devilfish. Yeah.
Alright, so Space Marine player turn 1. I move my Rhino tanks to the left and right off the playing field. I also have ran my scouts in hopes of getting to the cover in the center of the map. I'm currently about to shoot the Tau player's devilfish with my twin link las cannon on the dreadnought, and we're gonna hope for the best. Maybe I'll destroy it. Here goes nothing. Rolling to hit. It's a 4. Hits. Strength 9 against 12 armor. He's a 3 up to glance. Got a 4. Depends.
So let's see if it's 12 inches. If I get a cover save. Yeah. Is that 12 inches? That's outside 12 inches, right?
It's kind of awkward.
I think that's within. No, yeah,
that's
the
base, right?
Yeah, it's out.
Okay. Alright, Tau player
it's front of the. It's front of the hole to the base of the. So
cheesy
for Tau trickery.
Which he, of course, says.
Yes,
because it is the Tau Empire.
Okay.
Famous for their craftiness.
Their trickery.
And that is a.
Oh, yeah, that's the end of the
that is a
Space Marine turn 1.
Yeah. Devilfish to these guys.
Scouts are gonna die.
3 shots. Okay, I hit with all
2
3 of them.
6s.
Alright, then 5 to 4 is do better. Okay, 3 saves.
On the scouts?
Yeah, on the scouts.
Rolling for the saves on the scouts. 1 perishes under a withering hail of fire.
Okay.
But they persevere.
I'm liking your moose sweater.
Thank you.
It's so cool.
Everyone likes it. It's awesome. It's the best gift I ever got. Close my eyes.
Okay, I guess that's everything.
One of the best gifts I ever got. Yeah, retreat.
Yeah.
Assault move, retreat.
Handsy move right here.
So what happened all in all?
I stunned a vehicle and killed one scout.
Which vehicle? Oh, that one over there.
Yeah.
Most eventful turn ever.
Well, so far, yeah.
Out of the game, yeah? Alright.
Space Marine turn.
Space Marine June 2.
Alright. Moving face down.
Shooting.
Alright, let's do the scouts. Scout squad, heavy bolter is going to shoot your fire warriors.
Okay. Here, you need dice.
I need some dice.
How many dice do you need?
3. And it's poisoned. So wounds
2 up.
2 up.
Yeah.
But you get your save. Wall wound, make your save.
You have to hold a hit.
Oh crap. Totally forgot. Alright, 2 hit. 2 saves.
Okay. So 4 better save.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 dice.
First blood.
Oh, the Tau side?
Yep.
Such an eventful game.
Poison round penetrated his armor.
I like how the Tau side looks the same pretty much as it started.
Well, I moved some vehicles around.
You've done some stuff.
Yeah, he's done some stuff. Alright, Dreadnought is going to shoot the side armor off his Devilfish APC, which is 11. The Twin Link Las Cannon shoots forth its Valiant Beam of Justice. It hits. Strength 9 against his 11. Pens.
Okay, and I don't get a save.
You don't get a save because I'm close. I got a 4 on a 10.
So that's immobilized. Okay.
You gonna land it?
There.
I've immobilized the foul.
What's the rule in skimmers landing?
If they move flat out, like if they're a fast skimmer,
Yeah.
and they move their maximum speed, then they crash and burn and die. But
Cool.
First tank blood of the game, or the stunned over there, I guess. But
that's not really.
That's more
first
screwed.
more screwed.
I'll put a tank in.
Yeah, that's
there.
cool.
Okay.
Alright, so this is the end of turn 3 for Tau.
Yep. So yeah, I destroyed that tank over there, killed 1 Space Marine, stunned his Dreadnought, and all these guys over here shot at his scouts, but they survived everything.
Because they're Space Marines.
Yeah.
Alright, anything else?
No, that's basically it.
Alright. Recap of turn 3 for Space Marines.
Well, my tactical squad Alpha engaged Tower Firework squad and annihilated it in close quarters, which was unsurprising.
Yeah.
My Tower Firework, my Scout squad shot and killed 2 Tau gun drones,
Yeah.
Oh, you still have to do that leadership test.
Oh yeah.
and my Rhino APC advanced 12 inches.
Alright,
Alright, I think their leadership.
we're gonna do that
7.
leadership test.
So they get -1 for being below 50%. So
Yep.
that's a 6. So they fail. So they're gonna
Fall back. Is it 2d6?
Oh yeah, 2d6. Right. Okay, 9 inches.
So they fall off the edge or something.
No,
They go back to the
alright.
dominant board edge.
Still shoot with them. So it's pretty gay.
Alright, so on to turn 4.